making chocolate covered strawberries so much fun, really easy, and a lot less expensive than actually going out and buying them. Okay, so you want to clean your strawberries with baking soda, and I have found that lemon juice helps preserve the strawberries and keep them all pretty and red. It kind of works with all fruit. Make sure that they're dry. That's like one of the biggest secrets. Make sure they're dry. And I think using good quality chocolate makes a difference. I really like this Ghirardelli's. So you want to have something cute or something long and strong to stick in the strawberries so that you can stick them all around in the chocolate. And if you want to put something on top of them, have it there because that chocolate hardens fast. It's almost Valentine's Day. Hey, Big Daddy, I got some strawberries for you. This is really fun, nice and tasty and fun. Come on and eat them with me.